This is the story of Rangi's gifts. Rangi has built a magnificent village.
All done. You have a mountain, you have a river, a beach, and here are your houses. You need something else.
Rangi thinks about what it is his villagers need for a happy well-being. Rangi remembers the story of Tane and how he brought the 3 baskets of knowledge down to earth. In the beginning, the earth was cold and the people were not very happy at all. Tane felt sorry for them.
I will climb to the heavens and retrieve 3 baskets of knowledge.
Before beginning his journey, he said a karakia. The guardian of the underworld, Tane's brother Whiro, overheard his plans.
Tane, you are only young. I am the oldest. I should go.
It was I who created man. It is I who shall retrieve the baskets.
Tane began his climb. Whiro was furious.
Get him! Bite him! Stop him!
He commanded bugs and other insects to stop his brother. They chased Tane, attacking him and biting him all over. Swatting the bugs away, Tane fought hard to keep climbing. Whiro was outraged.
Bite him! I want him stopped. Do you hear me?
Tane fought hard and finally reached the baskets. Slinging them over his shoulder, he brought them back down to his people. Happily, they learned from the gifts within each basket.
Aha!
Rangi collects 3 baskets.
Mind, body, and soul.
Rangi searches in his toy box for gifts for each basket. Words for the mind. A ball to play, that's for the body. A heitiki, that's a gift for the soul. Rangi collects numbers, another gift for the mind. A turnip? Which basket would this be for? Ah, food for the body. Rangi remembers when he found his favourite stone. It's very special to him. That will definitely go into the basket for soul. A calculator? That will help the mind. Mushrooms to keep the body nourished.
And a heart.
Ah, a heart for the soul.
Here you go.
What a wonderful village. Thank you, Rangi.
And thank you for our kete.
We love our new home.
Thank you, Rangi.
You're welcome.
With gifts for the mind, body and soul, Rangi has collected all the things that his villagers need to live happily ever after. Well done, Rangi.